So here goes the comics, right? Now, when you get the comics, I got these upside down because I like to make sure that they're even in the boxes as I'm filling them up. So right here, I'm just gonna put my fingernail under a solid amount of them. I'm picking them out. I'm holding them by the top. I'm not holding them by the sides or anything because I don't want to put any dents or any kind of pressure on the spine. And you see I'm holding them by this side because if I do put pressure on it, it's less likely that I'm going to put damage, or it's less likely I'm going to damage the comic holding it from this side. If I hold it from this side, I'm very careful to hold it and just use my finger, my thumb, and very few fingers because I'm not really trying to hold it from this side for that long. I'm really trying to make sure that I'm holding it from anywhere but this side, right? So then I hold them like, I cradle them like a baby like this. When I have a stack, my thumb like right there just to hold it in the middle. And then I'm just letting them ease out of my, let them ease out of my hands like this. This way, I preserve the condition, which is equal to the value of the book. All right? So that's how I hold my books. That's how you should hold your books. Be careful.
Stay tuned and follow us in the name of comics.